Hello everyone, hope people are doing well. Welcome back to today's tutorial. This is ERD Stitches. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you are subscribed, if you are stopping by to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Drop your comments at the comment box and also your suggestions. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful twist gown using the slash and spread method. It's very easy to learn. It's very easy to make. I'll try to make it in a way that everybody will understand it using the slash and spread method. Okay, now let's go to the cutting table. So in this tutorial today, what we need for this tutorial is our ready-made gown pattern, and we are using this fabric. Is a stretchy fabric for it. Our fabric scissors, our paper scissors, our marker, our measuring tape, and our pattern master. So now you can see, as you can see, I've already drafted the pattern, and I drafted both the back and the front pattern together. So what I did here is that this is the back armhole and this is the front armhole. So, and this is the back neckline, this is the front neckline. So when I'm done the fabric for the back, I will slash out this side front armhole. I will also cut out the neckline. So when you're making of then what we need is a jersey material or a very stretchy material. If you don't have any jersey material, you can make use of a stretchy material. And when you're taking your body measurement or drafting your pattern, you have to minus 1 inch from your body measurement. For example, the bust I'm working with is 42. What I did is that I minus 1 inch for 42 to now be 41, and I divided it by 4. I did the same at my waist, 40, I minus 1, 39, and I divided it with 4. My hip, 50, I minus 1, it gave me 14. And I divided it with 4. Then my hemline, I've already added my folding allowance here. So let's get started. So what we are going to do now is, at my waistline, this is my waistline here. Before I do this, you will determine where you want your twist to be, whether it will be at the left hand side or at the right hand side. So this one I'm making will be at the left hand side. This is my left, so I have to indicate it left and right. So this is the left, so I want the twist to be at the left. So what I will do is that this folding here now is just our center front. So I'm working with it. From this our center front here, I will go up by 2 inches at my waistline. I'm using a different pen so that it will be clear to us. This is it. So I will turn it to a straight line. I went up by 2 inches. So this is it now. So at these 2 inches now, I will take in 3 inches from my center front. This is the 3 inches point here. At my armhole here, I will come down by 2.5 inches, which is here. From my waistline here, I will go down by 3 inches. That is here. So now what I will do now is I will connect this to this point and also this to this point. I've connected the points together. So now I will come to my right armhole also. I'll come down by 2.5 also. This is my 2.5 point here. I will connect it to this point. I've connected it. Look at it from this point. I've connected it to this point. So the next thing I will do now, I will make a connection from this point to my hip line here. So this is it. So I came down by 2.5 inches here. I connected to the 3 inches here, and went down by 3 inches here. I connected to the 3 inches here. On this my right armhole, I came down by 2.5 inches and I also connected it to the 3 inches here. From these 3 inches, I connected to my hip line. So now I'm going to number it. I'll number here as my A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. So I'm going to cut it through now. Cut it this way, this way, this way, and this way. Okay, I'm done cutting it through. You can see it. This is what we have. This is what we have now. So now, what I'm going to do is A, D will meet A this way. Then B will meet C this way. So I'm going to draw my slash line now. I can draw as many as I want. You can draw to 6, 7, or 5 slash line on each. Now, when I'm done drawing the slash line, I will show you what it looks like. Okay guys, you can see I've cut out the back pattern and also added my sewing allowance of half inch to it. So now let's go to the front. Okay guys, you can see draw my slash lines, all of them pointed to this point. At this A, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 slash lines. At the B, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slash lines. At the C, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slash lines. At the D, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slash lines. So draw as many slash lines as you want, but the most important thing is that all of them point at this point. So now I'm going to cut it through to the point, but I will not cut out the lines. Okay guys, as you can see, I've spread it out. This is why it's called slash and spread. This is the C and this is the D, the B. So you see the way I did it, the point, this point is together, and also these are the two that we divide. Spread it out. I've also gone ahead to mark out half-inch allowance all round. At the hemline, I didn't mark any allowance because I've already put my allowance there when I was drafting the pattern. So now I'm going to cut it out. But before I cut it out, I want to show you something. From this point now to here, I have like 13 inches is what we spread out here. So this is what we're also going to spread out on the other one. So now I'm going to cut this out. Okay, this is the A and the D. That is, this is the upper part, this is the neckline, this is the armhole, and this is the armhole. I've also spread it. I told you this and this should meet each other, point at each other. So the other one we got 13.5 inches. So as I said, we are also going to expect that in the okay. I have 13 here. Okay. Okay, I have 13.5 inches now. So I'm going to cut it out now, giving it half-inch allowance all through. Guys, you can see the upper part. This is the armhole, this is the neckline, and this is the hole. So this is what we cut out for the part. This is it. Then for the down we have for the down part. So what I do now is I'm going to flip this towards the hip this way. This. Let it be equal this way. Then I will sew from here, leaving like 1 inch here. I will sew it through, leaving like 1 inch. Okay, you can see I'm done. I left like, let me say 3/4 inch open here. You can see this is my hand. So from this now to pass this upper side now, I will hold it here and now pass it. See, the fronts are facing up. I'll pass it through this small space here. This way. See, I've passed it. So now I'll open here, this place up. So what I'm going to do now is this place now, this side, I will turn it this way to face right side, facing right side. I will hold these two together and sew it to this place, like so. Okay, you can see this place have taken shape. Now this is the bust line, the waist and the hip. It has taken shape. Now to this side, this is that one I put inside that we have not used it. It's still here. So what I'm going to do now, see this side of it, the shorter side of it now, I will put it this way, facing each other, and sew it on this one first. By the time I'm done sewing it, I will open it up this way. Then this one, I'll put it this way, right side facing each other. I will, from this point, hold it down this way and sew it till it gets to the end. See, I'm done joining the two. See it now. This is the, see it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring the back, which is this now. Put it on top of it this way. Join the shoulder and close the side. The neck, I will use bias to turn the neck. By the time I'm done joining the shoulder and closing the side, I will bring it for you to see how it look like. Okay guys, you can see this is how our twist gown came out. I've used bias to turn the neck and also fix my sleeve. Look at it, how beautiful it is. You can give it a trial. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. You can also join our Facebook page on Elegant Stitches and also our Facebook group on ERD Stitches, where we upload illustration of some designs that will be helpful to you. Thank you.